Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming this soft glam look for you all. It's super easy and yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Okay, so I have already primed my eyes as usual using the e.l.f. concealer. I also applied a piece of tape just to make the eyeshadow a little bit cleaner, I guess you could say, and it also helps when I apply the wing. But anyways, so for the palette I'm going to be using today, I am taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, which I haven't used in a while, actually months probably, and then lately past few weeks I've been picking it up because it has like so many like browns and like a lot of colors for natural looks, which I love, which I've been loving lately to say, I guess you could say. But anyways, now that our lid is primed, like I said earlier, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying that to the crease area. This is just going to create a transition shade. Okay, so now we're definitely going to be warming this up. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's just so pretty once you blend it out on the crease. I just hit my eyeshadow pomade. It slid across like the table. Okay, so like that. I'm just applying that in the same area. This is going to be a cut crease, like a lid cut crease. So I'm going to be doing it right here. So it really doesn't matter where you get the color. Just make sure it's blended and you will be fine. I'm just really packing this color on just to make sure it's how warm to make sure how warm I want it, but you can apply it as much as you would like. And also I'm going to bring the color a little bit higher than I usually do because it is a cut crease, and you want to make sure you have like a good amount of space showing that color above the crease, because like I said, it is a cut crease, but it'll be prettier if you do apply the color higher. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a little bit warmer than this one, not too dark though, and we're just going to apply that. So now I'm going to be cutting the crease. I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer. It's the 16-hour camo concealer. And I'm going to be applying that to my crease area, which you will see right now.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence.
So now that we have the lid cut, I'm going to be taking, actually before I'm applying anything, I'm not going to set it, just so the liquid eyeshadow or whatever eyeshadow I'm applying will come off more brighter. And yeah. So for base eyeshadow, I'm taking this Stila what is it called? It's a liquid eyeshadow. Anyways, it's in the shade Smoldering Satin. Focus, hopefully. There it is. These are so good. I've had these for like a while now. Really good. Like the glitter. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to be applying that to this area, my lid area, and look, oh my gosh.
And the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the
They're super easy to apply, like, oh my gosh. And they're gorgeous. So I did mess that area up right there, but I'll just let this dry and then I'll blend it out. It's not too much of a big deal. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I will be back to show you what I do for liner and lashes. Okay, so I have already applied my wing and lashes on this side, and I'm about to do it to this side, but I just want to go over what products I use. For liner, which I've been using in all my videos lately, I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is what it looks like. And then, literally just dropped. Okay, and then I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is super good. If I don't wear lashes, I'll wear this mascara. But for lashes, I'm taking the Ebin New York lashes in, I think they're Clio, if I'm correct. I don't have the box, but super good brand, great quality, and super affordable. I get them at my local beauty store. But I'm sure you can find them online, which I usually tag in my description bar, so I will tag their username on Instagram when I do post this photo, so you guys will know for sure the brand in their page, so you can find these lashes. But it's definitely Ebin New York, but I'm going to tag them in my description bar when I do post this photo. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes and wing, and I will come back when that is applied. So this is the final eye look. Super easy and super pretty. So yeah. Also, I just want to say, like, a lash tip. Every time I try new lashes, they're always too long for my lash line, and so I always have to cut them, which a lot of people do. So usually I cut them, sometimes I do cut them a little short. So what I like to do is I apply them to the very end of my lash line, because it just gives like a longer lash line effect, and like if your lashes are like these, it gives out like that curled effect, which is super pretty. So anyways, that was just a quick tip for you guys. If you ever accidentally cut them too short, just do that. And yeah, super pretty. I'm just going to move on to the face makeup. So yeah. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover and MAC Studio Fix. I actually mainly use the MAC one, but it's a little too warm for my skin tone, so I mixed a little bit of the Maybelline one in there so it would match my skin tone better. For concealer, I'm taking the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I use this every day. So yeah, super easy to blend. Definitely recommend. It's a really good drugstore concealer. But I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out. So to set my foundation and concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is one of my favorite, actually it is my favorite loose powder at the moment, and it has been for months. It's super affordable and works very well. To contour, I'm taking the Tarte Parquet Princess, and at first it looks like it's not blended, which I had, like, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's like a line kind of on the side of my head up there, and I had to blend that out. So I do blend it out later, don't worry. And I also clean it up using the Maybelline Fit Me powder off camera, which you will see later. So yeah. For bronzer, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tan Trick and applying that over the same area as I apply my contour. You'll always be my night sky. I'm taking this Milani blush in Coralina. It's super pretty. It has a little bit of glitter in it, but I really don't mind. It's very pigmented, and like I said, it's a really pretty color.
See your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see when your stars.
For highlighter, I'm taking this Maybelline one. It's super pretty. I'm pretty sure I've used it in previous videos, but it's a really good drugstore highlighter if you're looking for one. For lips, I'm taking this lip gloss in the color Stolen Kisses by NARS. Super pretty, as you can see. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button down below. And also, before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.